Hi. For my final project, I did a controller mapping project using a Xbox 360 controller and interfacing it with a MIDI controlled software. And this is one of the wired Xbox controllers, which conveniently enough attach with a USB port, so I can plug that right into the computer. And then I was fortunate enough to find several free programs online that facilitate the conversion of the data to the right type. I don't really even know if you're going to be able to see this, but hopefully it'll work out. So this program here is called GlovePi, which stands for something that I don't really remember, but at any rate, it takes the data from the controller, which in this case it thinks it's a joystick, but it's getting the same type of data. If you can see how when I move stuff or hit buttons, it's actually receiving all the correct data from it. And then from here, I can map this either to controller data, MIDI CC, or to actual MIDI notes. And this is a simple script that I wrote, and I, by the way, have no knowledge of programming or anything like that, so this took me a while to figure out how to write this in the correct syntax and everything. But so this is just some simple math that I figured out had to be done to these numbers to make them in the correct range for MIDI. And then I have another, it's going through a little intermediary called MIDI yoke, and this is called MIDI aux, and this monitors what's coming in from the controller if it was working. Oh, if I run the script, and then once again, don't know if you can see this, but as I'm moving the controller, right now I have these mapped to send command CC, and everything else is mapped to send note on off. And so from here, it's sent to a virtual MIDI port, and that Pro Tools, conveniently enough, has no problem recognizing. And so I can then pipe it into any of the plugins that I have in Pro Tools. And that's how I got this to work. And now I'm just going to, in subsequent videos, show lots of little projects that I've been working on with it, or just been fooling around, really. Different setups and different mappings of the incoming data. So yeah, I hope you enjoy.